Check this out. My husband said they took a telephone pole from the street to put it on the boat. Look how far it goes up there. Look at this. Wow. Madisonville, Louisiana. Wooden Boat Festival. All weekend long. On the Tchefuncte River. This boat's from Biloxi. Oh look, we can see what it says. Let's go see. It says a 1989 Biloxi oyster schooner. 65 feet long, the beam 17.5 feet. The draft is 4 foot 10 inches. And Bill Holland built this boat. Beautiful. Yeah. If you're a boat lover, you're going to want to watch all of this video. Look at the sleeping quarters. Look at this. No, your boat's gorgeous. Oh, it's not yours? Can we go and look at it? Oh. Oh, okay. Look at this beauty. Wow. I'm gonna step down and back up a little bit for you. Holy moly. Look at this. Wow. It's beautiful. Check out those houses across the street. I mean, across the river. And big old boat. What year's your boat?
Built in 71.
It's gorgeous. Wow, it's beautiful. 71. I'll zoom in because I know some of you know what you're looking at. And I know the comments I'm going to get said I went too fast, so I'm slowing down for you. Is this your boat? Oh, it's beautiful. What year is it?
Built in 1966.
Oh, wow. It's gorgeous. How did you acquire it?
Oh, we dated online for a while, and
Yeah.
I bought it from a guy up in St. Michael's, Maryland.
Okay. Do you mind being on video? I don't have to show you. Okay. So sorry, where you said? Say.
So I bought it from a guy in St. Michael's, Maryland.
Oh, from Maryland. Oh, I bet it likes being down here a lot better than Maryland. It's way more fun. It's gorgeous. It really is. You've done a great job with it.
That to get around the house.
Can I help you in any way?
I'm just gonna take a look and see if I can pull it around.
Gorgeous. Isn't it? There's a bunch more down here. I'm gonna step off this all the way. So the Tchefuncte River goes to Lake Pontchartrain? That way? Lake Pontchartrain's that way? So if you go down this way, you go to Lake Pontchartrain, which you know will take you to the Gulf of Mexico. Look at these. Tortuga. It's for sale.
Are you trying to get, what is what are you trying to get?
I'd be wearing a line shirt.
Monte Beach to mark out of Dallas.
One of those
It's 1973.
You want to take my picture too?
Would you love to be in my video?
Yeah.
Is this your boat?
I did.
It's gorgeous. What year is it? Is it 73? Is that what I read?
73, yes.
It's gorgeous. How long have you had it?
I've had it 12 years now.
Oh.
I've had it 12 years. Been 9 owners of it since she came from Singapore.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Can't curse in my videos.
Not across the water, but on a big,
Right,
big
you
boat.
understand. That's
And
amazing.
it came to New York City. That was the first owner of it, New York City.
Wow. How'd you acquire it?
There's a gentleman here that I met, a retired no,
Oh.
named,
Okay.
Black, Captain Black. He lived on it right over here around the corner at Hidden Harbor, and I bought it from him.
Oh, wow.
So I not only bought a boat, I got an experienced captain to go with me. Now he moved, so.
That's awesome. And what year's your boat?
1971. It's
Oh,
all
wow.
wood.
It's all, wow. It's gorgeous. Absolutely.
If you want to walk around.
Oh, I can? Oh, thanks. Do you take my shoes off?
Please.
Hey, I'm not going to fall. Quit cursing in my video. I don't know if I can get up here. Stop, Preston. I can do this. Oh, boy. Okay. I'm going up. Going up. Going up. Coming down is not going to be as easy. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at the sleeping. I love it. It's okay. I love it. That's beautiful, too. Oh, from Shell Beach, Louisiana. Where's that at, Shell Beach? Oh, okay. We're from Prairieville, which is close to Baton Rouge. What year is that one? Oh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, he's won some awards with it. It's beautiful. Look at this.